Types of plates can be used in the LG microwave. Safe utensils. Oven-proof glass. Heat-resistant glass is microwavable. Oven-tempered glass utensils include all brands. Avoid delicate glasses, such as tumblers and wine glasses, as they might shatter. Platters, bowls, cups, and plates without metallic rims are recommended. These materials are often microwave safe, but test them first. Let's check the plastic. Suitable for quickly reheating foods. Foods that need extensive time in the oven should not be stored in plastic containers as the heat will eventually melt them. A plastic cooking bag is microwave safe if it is specially made for cooking. Make a slit in the bag so steam can escape. Ordinary plastic bags will melt and rupture in the microwave. Microwave utensils are available in a variety of shapes and sizes. Consider using items you already have rather than investing in new ones. You can use paper towels, waxed paper, paper napkins, and paper plates without metallic rims. Microwave-safe paper plates and containers are convenient and safe to use, provided the cooking time is short and the foods are low in fat and moisture. Wrapping foods and lining baking trays with greasy foods like bacon can also be done with paper towels. Avoid colored paper products as the color may run. Recycled paper products may contain impurities that cause arcing or fires in the microwave. Microwave-safe tableware includes pottery, stoneware, and ceramics. Check the manufacturer's literature or perform a microwave test. Plates with painted decorations should not be put in the oven because the paint may contain metal. Unsafe utensils. Metal containers and metal decoration. Never use metal or metal-rimmed utensils in the microwave oven. Microwaves can't penetrate metal. Arcing is an alarming phenomenon when they bounce off metal objects in the oven. Microwaves are shielded by metal, resulting in uneven cooking. Avoid metal skewers, thermometers, foil trays, metal-rimmed or metal-banded dinnerware, casserole dishes, etc. Metal rims interfere with normal cooking and can damage ovens. Test before use. Non-metallic and heat-resistant utensils can be used in your oven. Utensils may contain materials that are not microwave safe. Find out if utensils can be microwaved by following these steps. 1. Place the container and a glass measuring cup filled with water inside the oven. 2. Minute on high power for the container and glass measuring cup. Microwave-safe containers are cool to the touch even when the water has heated up. Microwaves cannot be used if the water temperature does not change, but the container becomes warm. Caution: microwaves are not suitable for items with high lead or iron content. Microwave-safe utensils should be checked before use. Be careful when taking utensils out of the oven. Cooked food absorbs heat so that some dishes may be hot.